Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Facebook page's Fans tab visible to everyone, especially after the most recent update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll take you step by step through the process using the Facebook app on your PC. By the end, your fans will have no trouble finding and celebrating your community. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you'd like to update. Once your Facebook homepage loads, look to the very top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile menu. This is where you'll access all the important settings. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will show up, and from there, select Settings. This will take you directly to the main settings page for your account and pages. Now, in the left side menu, look for the section called Page and Tagging. Click on it. This is where you control who can see different parts of your Facebook page, including the Fans tab. Under Page and Tagging, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who Can See the Fans tab on your page. Click right there, and you'll see a few choices for visibility. To make the Fans tab visible to everyone, select the option labeled Everyone. After making your choice, click Done to save your changes. Facebook will automatically apply the new setting, so your page's Fans tab will now be public for all visitors to see. That's it. You've just unlocked the visibility for your Fans tab, making your page more open and engaging for your audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share any other Facebook tips or features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.